The future of food, lab-grown meat and 3D printed meals. Imagine a future where your burger was never part of a cow, and your pasta was printed like a document. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, the future of food is already here. Scientists are growing meat in labs and printing meals with high-tech machines. The only question is, can a 3D printer make a good pizza, or will it still taste like cardboard? Lab-grown meat starts with real animal cells. Unlike plant-based substitutes, lab-grown meat is made from animal cells that multiply in bioreactors, so yes, it's real meat, just without the farm. No animals are harmed in the process. A single sample of cells from a cow or chicken can create thousands of pounds of meat without slaughtering a single animal. It uses way less water and land. Traditional livestock farming requires huge amounts of water and space. Lab-grown meat uses up to 90% less water and much less land. 3D printed food works like an inkjet printer. Instead of ink, food printers use edible materials, like dough, chocolate, or protein pastes, to create meals layer by layer. NASA uses 3D printed food for astronauts. Since astronauts can't exactly bring a fridge full of fresh ingredients to space, NASA has been testing 3D printed meals to provide better nutrition on long missions. Lab-grown meat could reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Cows release methane, a potent greenhouse gas. Switching to cultivated meat could significantly cut down on emissions from livestock farming. The first lab-grown burger cost $330,000 back in 2013. The world's first cultured meat burger was cooked and eaten. The price tag? A whopping $330,000. Luckily, costs have dropped significantly since then. 3D printed meat can mimic texture too. Unlike lab-grown ground beef, 3D printers can create structured meat products, like steaks or chicken breasts, by layering muscle and fat cells. Plant-based ingredients are also used. Some 3D printed foods use algae, mushrooms, and pea proteins to create sustainable alternatives to traditional animal products. It could end world hunger. With the ability to print or grow food in extreme environments, lab-grown and 3D printed meals could provide solutions to food shortages around the world. It's already available in some restaurants. High-end restaurants in places like Singapore and the US have started serving lab-grown chicken, marking the beginning of a major food revolution. The FDA and USDA are monitoring it closely. Lab-grown meat is going through strict testing and approval processes to ensure it's safe, nutritious, and meets health regulations before becoming widely available. It could get even weirder in the future. Scientists are already experimenting with personalized nutrition, where 3D printers can create meals tailored to your DNA, health needs, or even taste preferences. Lab-grown meat and 3D printed meals are no longer just futuristic concepts, they're already making their way into kitchens and restaurants. With the potential to reduce environmental impact, prevent animal cruelty, and solve food shortages, these innovations could change how we eat forever. The only thing left to ask is, would you eat a steak made by a robot? Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.